Good morning, all. Ira Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning of July 23rd, 2025. And we're sitting here now about 8:20 a.m. Central Time. Please remember, I am out of town on vacation for a while and having a good time. I hope it gets warmer. We are in Montana, and it is outside, I must tell you that. But today it's going to start warming up and then get much warmer. But it's enjoyable to be away and not frequently, I must say that. Now, we had some events overnight that we should take a look at. First, early this morning, we had the mortgage market numbers, and they came out. And as you can see, not a terrible set of numbers. The index itself up 0.8%, purchase index up 3.4, as you can see right here. But you were down in the refi, which makes sense with interest rates up a bit. We're going to get existing home sales in a few minutes. They have not been stellar. We'll see if they come in better. The EIA petroleum numbers come out. Scott Bessent this morning, I was watching the interview on Bloomberg, and he said President Trump is not going to fire Fed Chair Powell, and that the president, when asked by the interviewers, is considering all kinds of candidates. Then there's tariff news galore. We saw that yesterday a deal had been made with the Philippines and Indonesia, and then we wake up this morning to a big deal with Japan at 15%. That includes autos, auto parts. There's going to be $550 billion in investment pledges. They're going to buy 100 aircraft. They're going to take rice purchases up by 75%. They're going to put in $8 billion in agriculture and other areas. And they're doing a centerpiece, buildings that are done, and they build, and then they lease them back to the companies that put in all the facilities and build. The 90% of that profit, in theory, will go back to the United States. It was quite clever. Deal done. Now the question is, it was done after we saw that Prime Minister Toshiba lost his, if you will, coalitions in both the upper and lower house. And that always becomes a real problem for the market. So these are the things you have to consider. One of the ways to keep up with what we do, because even while I'm out of town, our crews are busy writing newsletters, special reports all day long, is try our free offers. You can see at the top here the icons. Just give them a click. They will take you to the area you sign up. In the meantime, I'm Ira Epstein. I will talk to you tomorrow, and of course in the evening reviews. But some of these evening reviews will eventually get put back a little bit as the weather clears up and we go out for dinners and enjoy a little bit more here. It is remote, so I'm generally around the house. You take care. I will talk to you all tonight when we